I'm a little testy right now. I'm a little testy, especially because of HSBC. HSBC, they're working on crypto stuff in China. Now, you read some articles, and it almost misleads you in a way. Now, I'm not blaming the person that wrote this article at all. I'm just saying you have to think a little bit when you read these articles. Like I always say, you have to read in between the lines. HSBC is fueling the fire to tokenization with gold-focused offerings. Now, within this article, it says that London-based HSBC is trying to its hands at gold tokenization. They're going to use physical gold, tokenized ownership of physical gold, held in its London vault, and it will use distributed ledger technology to trade these assets. Is HSBC really London-based? I feel like that's a little misleading because, this little magical gold vault is in London. How do we know there's actual gold in that vault? How much gold is in that vault? We do not know, which is, again, no transparency. HSBC, where do they come from? HSBC Bank, China Company Limited, started in April 2007 as a locally incorporated foreign bank. It's owned by the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, the founding member of the HSBC Group, which was established in Hong Kong and Shanghai in 1865. So you guys see how far back HSBC goes to 1865 with Hong Kong and Shanghai owning it. So it's not London-based HSBC, it's China, which means instead of this saying London-based HSBC focusing on tokenizing gold with distributed ledger technology, they should really write China is working on tokenizing gold. That's who's working on it. It's China. So China owns a bunch of banks as well that are working on CBDCs, working on ending your life and the way you live it and controlling every single aspect about it. China owns HSBC. That is who's doing all of this. It's not London. It's not Europe that's getting ahead. It's China. They're saying this generates a permission digital representation of clients' physical gold holdings. One of HSBC's gold tokenization platform is equivalent to 0.001 troy ounce. This can be traded between HSBC and institutional investors through their Evolve platform. We also see that they teamed up with Wells Fargo in 2021 to share settlement layer to process transactions in dollars, Canadian dollars, or euros, and the British pound sterling. It revealed its intention in November 2022 to launch tokenization platform HSBC Orion, on which institutions can issue digital bonds. We also see the problem with all of this tokenization, which is that they are going to have permissioned blockchains. We already went over it last week where the banks are working on permissioned blockchain, which means that the people that are running the nodes and validating these transactions are the banks themselves, which means that if one bank blacklists you, every other blockchain or node holder with these banks will blacklist you as well. Which means that this is all a trap and we should not even look at it, not trust it. HSBC is China. They're working on all this tokenization. Don't let it mislead you.